Track mode in Tesla Model 3 and Model S optimizes the vehicle for high-performance driving on a track. However, this intensive use increases stress on components, especially thermal stress. Monitoring your Tesla's health in track mode is critical to prevent damage and ensure longevity. This video will guide you through monitoring live data and temperatures to keep your car performing optimally. As of late 2025, Tesla has refined track mode with over-the-air updates, integrating advanced telemetry and predictive diagnostics. Tesla provides several native tools for monitoring live data. The primary method is through the Tesla app and the vehicle's touchscreen interface. The latest updates, like V12.5.1, enhance real-time data streaming, including granular temperature monitoring. During a track mode session, access the trip or energy screens in the app to view key metrics. Third-party apps, such as TeslaMate and TeslaLogger, also support data logging via Tesla's expanded APIs post-2024. Several key metrics are essential for monitoring vehicle health in track mode. These include battery temperature, motor and inverter temperatures, and brake and tire temperatures. Battery temperature. Ideal range is 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, 68 to 104 degrees. Exceeding 50 degrees Celsius can trigger power reduction. Motor and inverter temperatures. Motors should stay below 140 degrees, 284 degrees Fahrenheit, and inverters below 100 degrees Celsius. Overheating can cause efficiency loss or shutdown. Brake and tire temperatures. Brakes can reach 300 to 400 degrees Celsius, 572 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Monitor tire temperatures for even heating to avoid blowouts. For more advanced monitoring, consider using third-party tools. OBD2 dongles, such as the Tesla OBD2 adapter, allow connections to tools like Torque Pro for non-Tesla specific monitoring. Apps like Teslafy visualize CAN bus data, including voltage, current, torque, and regenerative braking stats. These tools provide more detailed insights than Tesla's native interface, helping you identify potential issues early. Tesla's Track Health feature, introduced in 2024, uses AI to analyze session data and alert users to potential issues. The AI processes real-time data from your drive sessions to identify problems like high temperatures or component stress. By 2025, this feature has evolved to include predictive cooldown recommendations, automatically adjusting cooling systems when temperatures exceed safe thresholds. This helps prevent issues like uneven tire wear, battery degradation, and other problems from high-performance driving. Pay attention to these alerts to ensure safe operation. To ensure safe operation in track mode, always perform cool-down laps after intense driving to prevent thermal runaway and component damage. Avoid back-to-back sessions without allowing the car to rest and cool down, maintaining system efficiency and longevity. Track mode logs data for post-session review, helping you learn the limits of your car and optimize future sessions. Regularly check tire pressures and brake pad wear, as these components experience increased stress in track mode and require maintenance to prevent failures. Let's examine real-world examples to see track mode monitoring in action. In 2024, a Tesla owner documented a full track session at Pikes Peak using TeslaMate. During the session, battery temperatures peaked at 48 degrees Celsius or 118 degrees Fahrenheit with no issues. However, inverter temperatures reached 95 degrees Celsius or 203 degrees Fahrenheit during downhill regenerative braking. Post-session analysis revealed 5% faster tire wear, leading to proactive replacements. In another case from Tesla's 2025 track experience events, a Model 3 overheated its brakes after 20 laps. Tesla's AI system intervened by reducing power, preventing damage, and highlighting the effectiveness of real-time monitoring in track mode. Looking ahead, AI integration will play an even larger role in track mode monitoring. Tesla's full self-driving FSD software is increasingly cross-integrated with track mode, using machine learning to predict and mitigate issues. Expect fully autonomous health monitoring with VR overlays for drivers, predicting component wear before failure. Integration with wearables and cloud-based analytics for fleet owners is also on the horizon. Stay tuned for these advancements to enhance your track experience.